Tiny Tales.
Hello, little geniuses. Welcome to our general knowledge trivia quiz, where fun meets learning. Are you ready to test your brain, laugh, and learn new things about the world? We'll show you each question with 3 options. Think carefully and guess the right one. So grab your thinking caps, sit back, and let's jump into the quiz adventure together. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth. B. Jupiter. C. Saturn. Answer B. Jupiter. Which ocean is the biggest on Earth? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. Answer B. Pacific Ocean. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Japan. B. China. C. Korea. Answer A. Japan. What is the capital city of France? A. London. B. Paris. C. Rome. Answer B. Paris. Which continent is home to the Sahara Desert? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Australia. Answer A. Africa. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. Malta. Answer B. Vatican City. Which country has the shape of a boot? A. Italy. B. Spain. C. Greece. Answer A. Italy. What is the name of the coldest place on Earth? A. North Pole. B. Antarctica. C. Greenland. Answer B. Antarctica. Which river is the longest in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Mississippi. Answer B. Nile. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? A. Alps. B. Himalayas. C. Andes. Answer B. Himalayas. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. Answer B. What do bees collect from flowers? A. Honey. E. Nectar. C. Pollen. Answer B. Nectar. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 8. B. 8. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. Answer B. Lion. Which bird can mimic human speech? A. Crow. B. Parrot. C. Pigeon. Answer B. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Tiger. C. Horse. Answer. A. Cheetah. Which animal sleeps standing up? A. Horse. B. Dog. C. Elephant. A. Horse. Which part of the plant makes food? A. Root. B. Leaf. C. Flower. Answer B. Leaf. What do you call animals that eat both plants and meat? A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. Answer C. Omnivores. What do pandas mainly eat? A. Bamboo. B. Grass. C. Leaves. Answer A. Bamboo. What gas do plants give off that humans need to breathe? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. Answer B. Oxygen. How many planets are there in our solar system? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. Answer B. 8. What is H2O commonly known as? A. Water. B. Oxygen. C. Salt. Answer A. Water. What force pulls everything towards Earth? A. Friction. B. Magnetism. C. Gravity. Answer C. Gravity. Who invented the light bulb? A. Thomas Edison. B. Albert Einstein. C. Isaac Newton. Answer A. Thomas Edison. What instrument is used to measure temperature? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Compass. Answer A. Thermometer. What planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. Answer A. Mars. Which organ in your body pumps blood? Is the brain? B. Heart. Answer B. Heart. What do we call a baby frog? A. Tadpole. What do we use to tell the time? A. Compass. B. Clock. C. Calendar. Answer B. Clock. What is the currency of the United States? A. Pound. B. Dollar. C. Euro. Answer B. Dollar. What color do you get by mixing red and yellow? A. Green. B. Orange. C. Purple. Answer E. Orange. What shape is a stop sign? Circle. B. Octagon. Triangle. Answer B. Octagon. What number comes after 99? A. 100. B. 101. C. 99.5. Answer A. 100. What do you wear on your feet to walk outside? A. Gloves. B. Shoes. C. Hat. Answer B. Shoes. What are traffic lights' 3 colors mean? A. Stop, wait, go. B. Walk, run, jump. C. Turn, stop, reverse. Answer A. Stop, wait, go. What do you use to cut paper? A. Knife. B. Scissors. C. Not this, on purpose. Ruler. Answer A. B. Scissors. What is frozen water called? A. Ice. B. Steam. Snow. Answer A. Ice. Wow, you did an amazing job. My super smart friends, you learned so many new facts about our world, from planets and animals to famous places and inventions. If you loved this quiz, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.